Here we go. One.
Ladies and gentlemen, they are off. We have Toad in a quick fourth. Metal Mario in second. Ladies and gentlemen, this looks like it's going to be one of the closest ones on this tour. Metal Mario is in a solid first place. The Toad is coming up. Oh, hit with the green shell. Mario is... Oh, hit with another one. We have turmoil on the toadstool. Metal Mario, upon finishing lap one, is in a first place, a solid first place. We got a star here with Toad. Toad's gonna make some moves. The red shell, he's coming in fourth. Metal Mario is still here in first place with the triple red shell. Making moves, doesn't get the double box, no, a single box. Oh, Metal Mario hit with the red shell. Toad getting all the good boxes here with 3 green shells. What can he do? Coming around the final quarter of the second lap is Logic in first place.